There's shack numerous. Everyone on that rooftop is dead. Shack 2, shack 2. Put on for another pass. I got armor down there. Master caution. Yo, Freedom. SOS. Oh, my rotor's broke.
Where's that fucking city? Where is it?
Stop. I don't know where it is. You downloaded the map, dude. You should know which one. You just call me.
You fly like a lot.
This is as fast as this thing goes, alright?
We all like little kids have in the car, and it's like they're driving, but they're not actually driving at all.
What are you talking about? You sound schizophrenic, dude.
Wait, I'm turning off the rotor.
Hey, don't do that.
I need to fly a little bit faster.
Well, you just slowed us down by turning the rotor off.
I'm the cook pilot after all these.
Yeah.
The fuck? Are you? What kind of witch magic is this?
We have a portable,
What kind of witch
portable
magic is
light
this?
source. That's what we have. A portable light source.
You gotta get like hella low, like make sure in the double digits above.
No.
But you were obsessed with flying though until you hit that cactus one time and now you're traumatized.
What did you want?
Never mind.
I'm obsessed with flying.
I think I need to boost my speed up a little bit.
Your head's going through, your head's getting chopped off by the rotors right now. Actually, it's not. It will be though. If you go any higher, it will be.
Pretty good. These games look better than Taggers.
Well, yeah, this isn't like a low poly game. This is bad.
Yeah, do we end this mission chat?
Yeah, I think we do. Don't say chat ever again.
I can't help but sympathize, cause I see behind your eyes that you're crying and reaching towards something more. And as you lean over me, the spit hits my stupid skin, but I won't let your anger soothe me. Regardless of your tendencies, I know you're only dying right now. You're only dying. You're only wasting your fucking time. And flight or flight means nothing to me. I'm frozen in time, so keep screaming and swinging. Yeah, just waste our fucking time.
Shack numerous, everyone.